How you feel? How you feeling? Get the fuck out. She got came on my fucking face. How you feeling? I'm feeling good. How you feel? How you feel? How does everybody feel? I'm looking motherfucker. I was scared. I was about to go do his mom. His mom fell down right there, and that's what the big earthquake was. We don't make custom made. We don't get custom made snapback. Where the hell is my man? Sorry, buddy. Come on, nigga. We don't wear long ass Air Forces. What's your name on your hat? My name is on my hat. That's so 2005. We don't do that anymore. God damn it. You can't read? Get this thing for us. I'm rapping. Daddy! Daddy! Hey, give me the clap. Hey, give me the clap. Real quick. Oh, yeah, hold on. Give me the clap. No, the clap. No, the clap. Okay. What did you do? Okay. Okay, so it's an earthquake. We outside, on the track field, about to get high. My man is jerking. I'm about to do no more cry. I'm gonna shave his legs in the back. I don't even know what I'm talking about, but I'm getting it. My man with the hat on, about to take it. Throw it away.